Yes you are, yes you are, yes you are the only one. There's something special about you. I can feel all the feelings are strong, 'cause you are the one I belong to. You got the smile that is etched on my mind. You got the gift to make me perfectly satisfied.
Alright, next step. You want to get this whole guide rod out of here. So what you want to do is right here, if you can see, it looks almost like a monkey wrench. In the middle, there is a pin. You want to pull back. I usually put my finger like right here. Pull back. Put your finger on the follower. So let me try to get a better angle of that. So pull it back. And out. And then you pull the whole spring out. I want to get this pin out. Now it's not in there hard, so I can just push it out with a toothpick. And there you go. So you want to remember, when you put it back in, you don't put it in this side, you put it in this side. Put that somewhere you won't lose it. Now this piece comes right out. This piece comes right out. Now this piece, it's not as easy, but you pull it up like that and pull out, and it comes right out. So it's like this originally, pull up, pull out. And then the follower comes straight out. Step, you're going to pull the lever out. You pull it back to this area right here. So pull it out. You pull it down and out. I don't know if you saw that or not. You pull it down and out. And this whole piece comes out. Now the bolt is just riding in there. You just push it forward, and the bolt comes straight out. And now your gun is pretty much as far down as you really want to get to. You can go down a little bit more. The wood is a little harder to get off. I don't recommend it, but that's how you get it apart. Alright guys, well now it's all cleaned, all taken apart. Let's put it back together. Now the first thing you want to do is put the bolts in. There's a track right there. I'm going to angle it like this on its side. Let's try to zoom in a little bit. Alright, put in an angle. Alright, and you want to push it back past this notch right here. And it's going to fall in, and it's going to fall into place. Alright. Now that you got your bolts in, I'll pull the rear of the gun like this. And then get to your piece. You're going to angle it in towards the back. Sorry, I have a really bad tripod. Alright. And that's the wrong way to do it. I didn't pay attention. You want this piece on top. Now, flip the gun around so that you can see what I'm doing. Alright. On the top of the bolt, I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to pull it down a little bit. There's a little lug down there, and that's going to catch in here. Let's see if I can get that. Wherever I put the screwdriver. Alright, that little lug's got to go in here. The bolt handle has to go in here. So let's see if I can get this all on camera. Now you can see it popping out right there. And you gotta pull it back to this little slot, and it's in. Alright, so you got the upper, alright, you got the bolt and the, alright, now you got these two together. Should look like that. Let's flip it over. Zoom in at this point. Alright. Alright, your next step, so you're going to get your follower. This part goes down like this. Just drop it in. Next part, you get this piece. You're going to put it in these two slots. You want it to be facing like this. You want these two pins here and here to go into the slots. Honestly, the way I do it is I kind of go like this. And kind of wiggle it in. And there you go. It should look like that. Flush. Okay. Now, next part. So you get this piece. You want to point it out like this. You want it like that. It should look like that. Get this piece, and you want it to go into this trough on the follower. So, turn it to get it in. There we go. So now it's in. And then match everything up. There we go. And this pin goes in from this side. You want this part out. If you did it right, it should almost just fall in like that. That's how it should look. Alright, next part. You're going to get the recoil spring. You're going to put into here. There we go. And now, on this piece, there's a little two notches, if you can see them, right here and here. You want these to go over them like that. You want it like this. And then you pull it back. And there we go. If you can tell, they're in. That's what it should look like. Now you put the stock on. Let's zoom out. Put the stock on, front to back, and you put trigger assembly. Make sure the guard's up like this. And honestly, you put it a little ahead of where you think it would be, like right there. That's where I thought it would be, but no, you put it in like that, and it falls in. Falls in, and just tap it. Now let's function test it. Holds it back. And your M1 is back together. I hope this was a good video. I noticed a lot of videos on YouTube don't show you everything. I've been there too, guys, where I'm like, what? I don't see the views I need. I really hope I got you those views on this video. If I missed anything, if it was difficult in any way, please let me know, and I'll take this video down and I'll redo it, and I'll get a cameraman, and I will make sure that is the best video I can make. So I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to watch this gun shoot, please click up here and you can watch this firearm shoot. Hope you enjoyed. Please rate, subscribe, comment, all that jazz.
Yours are going high.
You going high?
Real high.
That thing's sweet.
Yeah,
It's got a
right?
nice recoil.